The foundation is set and the vision is complete. Every detail is meticulously crafted to welcome.
We begin with the site in its natural state, ready for transformation. As the project commences, machinery and teams move in to clear the terrain. The land is prepared efficiently, paving the way for the next phase of development. Every great project begins with a solid start. Site clearing and excavation set the stage for our foundation. Precision is key as the foundation takes shape. Rebar is placed and concrete is poured to create a stable base. With the foundation set, we've built the strength needed for the rest of the structure to rise. Success starts from the ground up. Vertical construction of our new commercial complex is progressing naturally. Multiple floors and walls are being built sequentially, with scaffolding and cranes moving in logical harmony. Workers and machines animate realistically as we push forward to completion. Every great structure begins with a strong foundation and a clear vision. Through precise engineering and dedication, the architectural dream begins to take its final form, presenting the final masterpiece, a testament to quality and modern design.
The foundation is set and the vision is complete. Every detail is meticulously crafted to welcome the future. Activity begins as vehicles arrive and pedestrians populate the exterior. A fully activated, lived-in environment, ready for what comes next.